Hey, it's Bobby here. Welcome to the Bobby Siharath YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about Partner with Anthony, or PWA, with Anthony Morrison. Basically, he runs a affiliate marketing online training, and he gives you access to his whole ecosystem. Okay, if you're looking for more information on Partner with Anthony, you came to the right place. And stick to the end because I do have some bonuses for you. Today I'm going to review what I went through for the last 30 days with Partners with Anthony. Okay, this is one of the best programs I've personally ever been able to be a part of, and I believe that if you take the action and do the work, that you will be successful as well. So this will be very beneficial to you. So I'll drop the link of the Partner with Anthony information down below in the description. So click there, and I promise you that, well, maybe not promise, because I don't know how you guys, if you're the person who just wants to get rich quick, this is not for you. If you are the person who are like me, right, and do the work every day, day in and day out, this is for you, because you will be successful, guys. All right. So today I'm going to review the Partner with Anthony program with my standpoint of the student. Okay, the point of view of a student. So I'm going to start off with why I chose to join Partner with Anthony. Right, that's the number one question I get. So as you guys may know, I've been in the ClickFunnels community for the past 2 years or so. Right, and I've got into funnel building, page building, landing page software building, right? And got inundated with all the ClickFunnels community and the funnel hackers, right? So I decided that, wow, let's promote this. And it was very hard. Oh, actually easy to promote ClickFunnels as a software, but very hard to make your customers stick, right? Comment down below if you guys have that type of problem, right? You refer someone, they get excited for the first month or two, and then they drop off. So if you want that dream car award and you need that 100 ClickFunnels users, right? How do you get them to stick, right? Well, the reason with Partner with Anthony that I joined was because of the ecosystem, okay? So build your business online, right? And partner with him. He does all the education for you, right, of how to build an online business with any program, right? So yeah, the best thing about this is it's an ecosystem. What does that mean? So basically, he will go ahead and let you enter your affiliate link for ClickFunnels, to GetResponse, to Aweber, to GoDaddy, right? And to his many other resources that he recommends in his training. Those sales will be linked to you, right? So the number one problem that I had was to get ClickFunnels users to stick. And guess what? If you follow the Partner with Anthony program, and if they do as well, it's because you are promoting that to them, right? And you're giving a recommendation that Partner with Anthony, his system works. So as long as the system works and you're making money and your users are making money, then that means, guess what, guys? They will stick with you for life until they end their business. And all right, give me an example. Would you, right, if your business, online business is profitable, just go ahead and stop your business, right? No, you wouldn't, unless it's a life-altering moment in your life where you need to do certain things, right? And that's the outlier, okay? So if you are making money every month, every day, right, in your business, will you just stop it? No. So why would you stop your ClickFunnels account? Correct? All right, so let's just look at the dashboard of the Partner with Anthony. So basically, this is a drip type of content, meaning every day you'll go through one session, right, which has different modules. Okay, so it's a step-by-step process. So in the beginning, you go through the introduction of how to build an online business, and it gives you the building blocks of actually how to start your own business, right? So like step one, understanding, starts with mindset, right? Session two, the mindset and momentum is key. So at first it's going to be all mindset things with the introduction of the business model that he does, affiliate marketing, right? And then he explains the ecosystem of how you would get paid, right? All these profit centers. So more, if you want more in-depth descriptions of these modules or sessions, look up to my next video. Okay, subscribe to the channel so when the next time I upload the video on the in-depth review of these Partner with Anthony sessions, you will be notified. So make sure you click the notification bell that will allow YouTube to notify you when I upload videos. All right. So yeah, basically it's dripped every day, 24 hours from when you completed your last session up to 30 days. So just a little FYI here. I just started implementing these steps and got sales. They're small, but it's growing. And as you'll find out, you get monthly recurring income from the resources that they signed up. So ClickFunnels, GetResponse, basically a landing page builder, email autoresponder, and other links just like the build redirects, which will track the affiliate links. Like I said, more on that later. So what I like about the program is they teach you what they're doing in the business. So Anthony Morrison, guys, he teaches you how he collected over $1 million in ClickFunnels, right? Affiliate, right? ClickFunnels affiliate commission only. That's only one program, right, out of the ecosystem. And then the other thing is he shows you how he started his own business step by step, right? So he's giving you so much for a small price. You say, what is the price? Let's see here. Let me click the link. As of right now, okay, the price is a whopping $7 a month. So if you can't do that, let me know, right? You can't invest $7 a month to start an online business, guys, to have that passive income that you guys want, to have that freedom that you guys want, to ditch that 9-to-5 job eventually, right? Once you get your business up and going, you can work anywhere with an internet connection, with your laptop, with a microphone, whatever your business model is, right? So and another thing I want to highlight is he has modules that shows you different things, guys, different ways of getting traffic. Solo ads, from Facebook marketing, from YouTube marketing, from email marketing. Yeah, guys, he always shows us any new traffic source that he does that is successful for him. So I appreciate that, right? And another thing I like about Partner with Anthony is the success connection, okay? So basically he does a live training on Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern time, where he will build a business for us. So in order to get the success connection, you'll have to do the one-time payment of, I believe, $100 or $99, and you get instant access to success connection. So whatever upsell he has, I'm not sure what it is now currently, but it always changes. So the one upsell I highly recommend is the $99 one, because it's a one-time payment of $99 and you will get access to success connection. So all the businesses that he built for his students previously, you'll get. So one of the courses I like was the YouTube marketing course, Instagram marketing course. It also has, a 7 business blueprint course. There's so many courses that you can upload. Right now we're working on what they call funnel, what do you call it? Funnel stacking business, which I can show you later in another video. Alright guys, so if you guys do have any questions, let me know. It's a small investment, and what I'll do is show you my bonus. Like I said, guys, The bonus that I would require if you do purchase the $99 upsell, right? You'll get the agency revolution. Okay, this basically will help you set up your funnel for a agency revolution, and then a messenger bot for businesses, right? So as you know, email open rates are getting lower and lower, but Facebook Messenger open rates or read rates are a lot higher at the moment. Affiliate in the box. So basically how my mentor Johnny West grew a $3,000 a month affiliate side hustle, and he'll give you the whole training here in how to grab the funnel from ClickFunnels. And if you don't have ClickFunnels yet, I'll drop a link down below. Join ClickFunnels because that's all you need for these free resources. Again, you also get the chat bot agency website. Like I said, you need ClickFunnels for the template. And if you were to do an agency, or if you're already in the car dealer niche, or the basically the mortgage broker niche, it's a masterclass of how to put that online. And like I said, the template and files are for ClickFunnels. Join ClickFunnels with me and you'll get that as well. Chrome domination masterclass, basically utilizing Chrome and how to make a $15,000 a day funnel through software, right? And then a killer bonus, guys. Everyone needs to know how to copyright, right? If you're doing online business, copywriting. At first, I didn't know what copywriting was. If you guys don't know what that is, don't worry. What it means is basically copy, meaning writing text, right? Or headlines, or writing your content in a blog or in your sales page, right? And basically how to get the customers to know, like, and trust you and get their attention so that they can give you what you want from them, right? So yeah, that's moneymaker there, guys. That's people charge thousands per month for copywriting to hire a professional to do that for them, okay? All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Like I said, stay tuned for the next video where I will go through in depth of the Partner with Anthony sessions. If you do like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified of the next video. And I'll drop a card up there as well when I do create the video. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.